Hey guys, thanks for checking out another upload of Escargot Boosted Garage. As you can see here, truck's looking a little bit different than when I first showed it to you guys. Everything's stripped out of it, glass is out, all the doors are disassembled, inside sandblasted, outside's been sanded on the flat panels, and I blasted some of the harder to get areas and sandblasted the bed, and she's actually in really good shape. Solid truck. The whole thing, I did a bunch of metal work on it already, welded up a bunch of the holes. When I just sandblasted it, I picked up, found some new spots, weak spots that I gotta fix up still, but on the whole, this thing is actually really solid. I'm super pumped up. Like, I don't think that you could get a whole lot better than what I ended up with here for a starting point. Really solid. Got a lot of undocumented hours on this thing. I don't film everything I'm working on here, guys, but I've got about 40 hours of labor into this thing to date anyway, which isn't really that bad, but that's where I'm at since the last video. Anyway, hope you're enjoying the content, and keep on following along with the build. Enjoy it, guys. Hope everyone's doing well.